Hi everyone, I'm baking here a sour cream raisin pie. And I have this here, sour cream, 1 cup, and half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, raisin, and I have to mix the eggs and 1 egg and sugar first. Beat them together. And then sour cream. And the raisin. Have to add a little salt. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I have to pour this in a pie crust that I make for is a canola oil pie crust. If you've seen my video previously, I make a canola oil pie crust. I'll pour in there. And I have to put it in the, I have a preheated oven here for 400 degrees. My raisin pie, I think it's ready. It's right from the oven. And it's 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And then you can reduce to 350 degrees for half an hour or so. Okay, and you can top with ice cream or whipped cream. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.